Okay, good morning and welcome to our discussions on the different types of functions with their corresponding examples. So we will focus on the first set meantime. Okay, just look at the examples for each type of functions very clearly. Okay, so maybe start with the first one, and that is constant function. So what are examples of constant functions? We have f of x equals 5, that is an example of a constant function. Another example, y equals 3, that is also an example of a constant function. What about the second? That's identity function. What are examples of identity function? We have f of x, f of 2 equals 2. That is an identity function. Another, f of 1 is 1. That is also an identity function. You notice the value is equal to the function itself. And then the third is polynomial function. Remember that for polynomial function, the exponent should be non-negative and greater than 0. Okay, look at, you have to consider the condition. The exponent should be non-negative and greater than 0. What are examples? We have f of x equals 2x squared plus 2x minus 1. So is that a polynomial function? Yes, because the exponent is 2. It is positive and greater than 0. What about this? f of x equals 2x raised to negative 2 plus 1. Is that an example of a polynomial function? No. Why? Because the exponent is negative 2. Okay? What about this? f of x equals 2x raised to 1 half minus 2. Is that also a polynomial function? No, because the exponent is 1 half. So be reminded of those conditions. Next is our linear function. So for linear function, the highest exponent is 1. For quadratic, the highest exponent is 2. For cubic, the highest exponent is 3. Example. So for linear, we have f of x equals 2x plus 1. So the highest exponent is 1. And then for quadratic, we have f of x equals 2x squared plus 1. The highest exponent is 2. And then for cubic, we have f of x equals 2x cubed minus 2. So the highest exponent is 3. Okay, just look into the highest degree or highest exponent. What about for power function? Okay, for power function, it covers the polynomial function, the linear function, the cubic function, and the quadratic, for as long as there is an exponent, regardless as to whether negative or less than 0. Example, we have f of x equals 2x squared. Is that a power function? Yes. What about f of x equals 2x raised to negative 2? Is that a power function? Yes. As I mentioned, regardless of the exponent. So f of x is equal to 2x raised to 1 half. Is that the power function? Yes, for as long as there is an exponent, then it is considered a power function. Okay, so these are the first set of the different types of functions with their corresponding examples. Thank you.